This is my OOTD because 18 is also a little cold. I'm heading to city center, Oxford city center. Where are we? We are here. We've ordered pasta and we've ordered bruschetta. 5-star hotel of Oxford, the Randolph. Hi guys, welcome back. Ooh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you have read by the title, I'm going to explore some places in Oxford because I'm staying in Oxford from so long and I haven't seen any historical places. So I thought of, just going and visiting around. So I think I'm going alone. I want you all to come with me. So yeah, I won't talk much. Let's get into the video. Okay, bye. So this is my OOTD. My top is from H&M. My jeans is from, I think, Levi's. These are Vans. And yeah, and this cute little bag from DKNY. I don't know why I'm trying to be an influencer, but yeah. You know what, let's check today's weather. Today it's going to be 18. I think I'll be back by 9 o'clock, so it's alright. I think I'll have to carry my jacket because 18 is also a little cold. We always have to check weather up before going out, so yeah. मी एवढ्या जोरात पळत आले कारण ड्रायव्हर लिटरली पुढे निघून जात होता आणि पळत आले. आय थॉट आय विल मिस इट. थँक्यू बाबाजी. मेरा रिकॉर्ड टूटने से बचा लिया.
थैंक यू बाबा जी, मेरा रिकॉर्ड टूटने से बचा लिया.
I'm on the bus. I'm heading to city center, Oxford city center.
The next stop is Crescent Hall.
It's just me today. There's no one on the bus. Oh, this is our beautiful Oxford. This is the Oxford University Church. Oh, it's so beautiful, but it's closed today because it's Sunday. See, it's 6:05 right now. It's written, the University Church of St. Mary the Virgin has been official church of Oxford University since the 1200s. Come inside to explore Oxford. It is one of the city's oldest buildings. See, it's closed. It's still... Oh, 17 is 5 o'clock. It closed at 5 o'clock just an hour ago. Shit. Oh god. We're late. Anyways, but this is so beautiful. I think I'll come tomorrow again just to go upstairs. This is the Radcliffe camera. So beautiful. I feel this is the most beautiful thing in Oxford. We'll click some pictures. Akhil. So I'm with my friend Akhil again. Hi Akhil.
Hi.
We are just trying to get into this Radcliffe camera. Akhil says it's a library. We are just trying to get in. So let's see. So huge. It's really windy, sunny and cold. Do you think it's open? Oxford will work. Oxford Brooks will work. Oh, denied. We cannot go. Only for University of Oxford. We are from Oxford Brooks. Oh shit. It's alright. I was anyway not interested in looking at the books. What? Oh yeah. Now look at the view. So I'm going to click pictures here. Come Akhil. It's so peaceful sitting on the grass. Oh my god, am I too loud? I'm so sad we are not able to go upstairs. Akhil did a very nice cinematography today for me. Right?
Yeah.
He's very shy by the way, so he won't see much. How pretty this architecture is. Oh, this is the bridge. Oh wow.
Connection between two buildings.
Really? So cute. Can we go inside? From where to go?
Actually, only Oxford University students.
It's just for Oxford University students. We are from Brooks. This is the map. Where are we? We are here. I don't understand maps, fuck it. This is the Oxford sightseeing bus. This is really cool. See? Oh, yeah. From this side, it's more beautiful here. Oh, wow. Staying here since 6 months and I haven't seen anything. There are so many colorful buildings. I love it. Oh, see the car. Which car is it? Aston
Nissan
Martin?
No,
Then?
Nissan GT.
Really? Nice
The
place to
wheels.
sit. Akhil, I will sit here and you click a picture. Okay? Or there, maybe there. We are going to Bella Italia. Do you think we can get a table over there? So we are here at this restaurant Bella Italia. It's Italian and we have ordered few things. We've ordered pasta and we've ordered bruschetta. Bruschetta. I don't know how to pronounce it. Bruschetta. And yeah, I'll show you the food when it arrives. Oh. I love this place. We have ordered this pasta and then this bruschetta pomodoro for starters. Everything is really hard to pronounce, but yeah. I want to discover more cafes in Oxford. It seems really nice. This is the bruschetta I was talking about. I am going to try it first. It's actually really nice. I love it. Feels so Italian. Pasta is taking so long. Now I know the correct pronunciation. It's bruschetta. Bruschetta. Authentic Spanish pasta. There are too many restaurants on this street. What is this street called, by the way? I forgot.
George Street.
George Street. Where do you see it? Oh. Okay, so this is the George Street. Oh yeah, I can see it over there also. George Street. Yeah. Going to get some groceries. Oh. I got eggs, whole wheat pita bread, sandwich, cupcakes, avocados and some toiletries.
This and everything.
You know, my friend Abhishek and I used to get a coffee or hot chocolate and sit over here.
Oh wow, good. Nice place.
I know, right?
This is a 5-star hotel.
This is the 5-star hotel of Oxford, the Randolph. Randolph. Say what?
That is a museum of Oxford.
Where?
Which is this one.
Oh.
Free admission.
This one.
This. You can see that, no? Straight away. Building. The statue over there.
Oh. Oh. Oh, that one.
One of the
Okay.
historical museums of Oxford.
Oh.
Which is free for everyone.
Uh-huh. So if anyone comes to Oxford, meet Akhil. He will show everything to you. Every historical place.
Definitely.
So this is my dinner for today. Pita bread and I ordered paneer tikka masala from this place, Temple Lounge, and they've given lettuce salad. Said I'm watching The Vampire Diaries, and I'm ending this vlog here. So I didn't edit this video. I did, but not that fancy. I didn't edit it that. I just combined all the videos together and just basically it's all over the place. But I hope you enjoy it, and just let me know in the comments below if you like it. And if you made it till the end, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.